So welcome back aliens, I'm Navin Reddy from Telesco Learnings, and now let's continue with the discussion. So we have talked about the project and how we can go with it. Now let's talk about how to participate. So the only way to participate is to show some seriousness. Now how can you show the seriousness? It's very easy. See, lots of people, they say they want to participate, and if I keep it open, it will be difficult for me to manage. And then there are people, they will show the seriousness initially, but then later on they will feel, okay, it's not getting easy. And then of course, right, when you build a project, it will be difficult. So if you are interested, if you think you can do it, then only participate, because you're wasting lots of resources other than. So make sure you are focused. So how we can do this? So the first step is, I will give you a project, a small project for 2 days. You have to complete that project in 2 days, and you have to submit by Thursday evening. So what you have to do is, you can see this, there's a class here. So if you look at this class, you have alien, right? Now it's not compulsory to build the entire thing here. So what I'm expecting here is, either you should know the designing part or the Java part, right? So you need at least one of this. So if you know designing part like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can create a form where a user will enter the alien ID, alien name, and the planet from where alien has come, and then the age in thousands of years, right? So you have to take this input, you have to store that input in a JSON object. Now you should know JSON if you know designing part. And you have to create a JSON array for 5 objects. So if a user enters for 5 times, you have to create a JSON array, and you have to print all the values on the page. This is what the designing assignment is. The coding assignment, if you are good with Java, take the same class, create a class from these fields, and then take the input from the user, create 5 objects, assign 5 values to that. 5 objects will have 5 different values, and then save that in an array and print all the values of the array. Complete this assignment and submit to us. That will be your first task. So if you can do that, then you are you might be in the group. The second thing is, we have made a Facebook group on Facebook, of course. So the group name is Telesco Live Project. Just go to Facebook and search for Telesco Live Project. You can request for the access. So it's a closed group, so we will accept who is allowed and who is not allowed. So if you complete this thing, then you may get the permission to get into the group. Third, since we want to increase our family, I want this to reach to each and every one, because there are people who want to learn new things, who want to implement the project, but they are not my subscribers. They might be your friends. What you can do is, you can share the first and the second video, this video, on your Facebook profile with some text, what is this project is all about, and why you should be a part of this project, and use a hashtag called as Telesco, so that we can track. So these are the 2 things. First, you have to complete the project and submit it to us. Second, share this video on your Facebook profile, and also like our page, because all the announcement will be done. So public announcement will be done on the page, and the private announcement will be done on that group. So make sure you are part of the group to complete this project. And that's it. So that's how you will participate. So on Friday we'll be going for the next video, where we'll talk about what next. Okay, so if you like this video, click on the like button and do subscribe for further videos.